What's up guys, welcome to another video of Explaindio. So in this video I am going to make a small cycle race. So let's start. So as you know, first create a project. Let's name this project. So I name this project cycle. Create. Let's create a new scene. Okay, let's add some GIF image. So I'm going to add this three GIF image. Okay, don't sketch, add. I'm going to rescale this image, make this image little small. Okay, so what I'm going to do in here, that this man will cycling from this left and continuing cycling and just cross this canvas. So you know the process, I explained this process several times, so I'm not going to explain too much in here. So let's close this canvas and come to this GIF section and make this GIF little larger. So I'm extending this GIF at 15 seconds. So you can see this line is indicate the 15-second GIF. Okay, let's preview this GIF. I'm sorry, let's let's preview this GIF. It's going smoothly. Now add some animation point. So add some animation point, add. As I can say before, you should make this line straight as far as you can. Okay, so I'm going to add a little animation point. So now I'm trying to make this point, this 2 point closer, so this man can cycling smoothly. So let's take a preview. It looks good. So oh shit, all the animation points are gone, guys. I should make this from the beginning. Okay, add more animation point. take a preview. I'm going to add three different cyclemen, and they are cycling in different speed. Some are slow or some are faster. So let's add more animation point. Let's add more animation point. More. Okay. Let's take a preview. As you can see, this man is stopped cycling just because I made this frame for 15. Close this canvas. Just because I made this frame for 15 seconds, and as you can see, my animation is extends almost 25 seconds. So let's make more frames for this GIF. Let's make 400 and 450 frames. Let's take a preview. Oh, I should extend this frame more. Let's take 500 frames. 500 frames. Oops. 500 frames. Extend this more. 525 frames. It's 500 and 540 frames. Let's preview. Add more. 560 frames. So what I'm going to do in here, I just make this GIF more smooth and it looks natural. So it looks natural. So that's why I'm adding more frames. That's 600 frames. Come on. 600 frames. This man is a little slow. I should use more frames, maybe 1 second frames, that means 24 frames. 24. Come on, now work this time, please. Okay, so let's open canvas and add another GIF image. Add. Okay, come on, boy. We will also start from here. I should log this first GIF and start working this second GIF image. So this man will cycling more faster than the previous man. Okay, I should scale this little big. Now fine. So add animation point. First take a preview. Okay, close this. Close this canvas. Unlock this. So increase the frame, maybe until it's reached the 25 seconds or more. Okay, until it's reached the 20-second or more. Okay, let's open the canvas and add our animation point. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase the distance between these 2 points because it makes our animation more faster, and I use less animation point than I use previous one. Now take a preview. Okay, now add another GIF image. So this man is going to cycling. Okay, let's rescale this image first. Okay, so what is man will do? He is cycling his cycle faster than this two other men. Okay, so let's add animation point. So what you should do, you should increase the distance between 2 points is more than the previous one. Okay, let's add another animation point. Add another animation point. animation point. So okay, let's take a preview. Oh, one thing I miss. Just close this canvas, come to this GIF position and increase the frame. I should increase the frame 400 or more. As you can see, the frame is increasing. Now let's 440. Let's take a preview. Okay, it looks smooth and cool. So guys, here is our $1 million animation. So let's give it a finishing touch. Okay, so close this and close this. Add a bitmap image. So let's make a bitmap image. Don't sketch. Add. Just increase this canvas. Sorry, increase this image and lock all the layers and take a preview. It looks really nice. So that's all for this video, guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel Learn for Fun. Thanks for watching, guys.